State Council of Science, Technology and Environment (Scste) Meghalaya lingba ka project Meghalaya Star 30 haga khatlai terik jemang kalapulong ya ka orientation program ban ajing hikai bat ban betinlinti ki Samla pule jongathan East and West Khasi Hills ban Iakhun ki examination need bat JEE ha Presbyterian Science College Mairang. Hakani ka program lawan ajing hikai Dr. Varun Murthy MBBS u project leader jangka Meghalaya Star 30 u balapan iling ba ka presentation bat kimat ki bakongsan kumnu ki Samla ki diban penkre eladi na kabenta kini ki Eksamin. Lapan chingan ru da ka jingadon lang u principal Mairang Presbyterian Science College u ba thank you ka vice principal Kong Birani ki Samla pule bat ki kmi ki pa ki balawan bansan ran yala ki jangki khon.
Rural students, I work with students coming from abject poverty to students who pay 10 to 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs per annum for their tuition fee. So across the demography, across the spectrum of students I have worked with, what I have realized in all these years of experience, in all these years of training and teaching students is, there is no difference in terms of how capable anybody is. Somebody who gets 720 out of 720 in NEET and somebody who gets 25 out of 720 in NEET, to start with, both of them are equally competent, both of them are equally capable. But what makes somebody excel and what puts somebody behind happens at multiple levels. One, see, NEET and JEE, how many of you want to become doctors? Raise your hands, no problem. Whether you have attended NEET or not, doesn't matter. How many of you had the dream of becoming a doctor? I'm a doctor, so I always want to know who wants to become doctors. Raise your hand. Anybody who has attended JEE in the January session or the April session? You attended JEE? You attended both NEET and JEE. Alright. If you are a very good student, you want to be in a place where you get rewarded for it. So why am I telling you all this? Am I giving you a management lesson? All of this has led to the perception about the exam in your mind. Whatever perception you have about the exam, or whatever perceptions most of the students have about NEET and JEE, is because of the market dynamics and not because of the exam itself. Exam is not difficult. NEET, for those of you who attended NEET, exam is for 720 marks. Exam is for 720 marks. If you follow the principles of learning that I am going to share with you right now, without any coaching also, if you are motivated enough, you will be able to cross 600 out of 720, which should give you a medical seat. Your medical college in Shillong has 50 seats, but the last year's cutoff in the Northeast Indira Gandhi Institute, Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, of the 50 seats, the cutoff for the admission there is 465 general category. 465. If you cross 600 out of 720, you have a fair chance of getting a medical seat in the All India quota. That means a medical seat in any of the government colleges of the country. Alright? So, remember, the exam is not difficult. The exam is made to appear difficult because there is a lot of economics around it. There is a lot of business around it. If you don't feel the need for something, you will not pay money to get it. Yes or no? Isn't it? Somebody selling a 5 rupee pen in the street, will you just go and buy it because it is of 5 rupees? Or do you buy it if you want it? You buy a pen of 5 rupees if you buy for the reason that you want it, or you will buy it because it is 5 rupees. If you don't need a pen, will you go and spend 5 rupees on the pen? Nobody spends even a single rupee on anything that they don't feel they need it. Correct? Well, if you want to make people spend lakhs of rupees on coaching, that the coaching needs to be made to appear that it is the most important thing that is necessary for success. Otherwise, people will not go in lakhs and lakhs to spend lakhs of money. It's a multi-billion-dollar market. Alright? So my job as a trainer is to ensure, this is what I do. I take workshops in schools and colleges and tell people that you are more than enough to achieve whatever you want. Any support you get is to help you just strengthen your abilities. As a doctor, the medication that I give, the medicines that I give is not to override the immune system. Your immune system is capable of handling the disease. Your immune system is capable of fighting the disease and taking care of your health. But medicines will support the immune system. Medicine is not a substitute for the immune system. So coaching or any support that you get, any training that you get, support as a support, is a support to your natural intelligence, to your ability to make you more strong. It is not a crutch. It is a wheel. You can walk. When it is made to appear that you don't have your legs are weak, so I am giving you a crutch and I can take you on a vehicle, then the perception is I am weak. This is needed to make me move. But any support is like a wheel. Even without that, you will reach your destination. There is enough time to reach your destination. The wheel will help you move faster. That's all.